Pradhan Mantri Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Honorable Minister for Petroleum Natural Gas, Honorable Minister of State, Foreign Secretary, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar and good evening. I welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of the India-Bangladesh Friendship Pipeline by the Honorable Prime Ministers of India and Bangladesh. We will commence the program with a short video film on the India-Bangladesh Friendship Pipeline.
India and Bangladesh share an excellent bilateral relationship that even transcends a strategic partnership. This friendship is deeply rooted in historical and cultural ties. This partnership encompasses diverse areas including development cooperation, economic ties, connectivity, political and defense cooperation, and vibrant people-to-people exchanges.
मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि अगले 25 सालों के अमृत काल में भारत बांग्लादेश मित्रता नई ऊंचाइयां छुएगी.
Bangladesh-India bilateral relations are known to be a role model for neighborhood diplomacy.
Both sides have also been actively cooperating in the power and energy sector. The two prime ministers jointly unveiled the Unit 1 of Maitri Super Thermal Power Plant in September 2022. Today, with the inauguration of the India-Bangladesh Friendship Pipeline, an important milestone is being added to this forward-looking partnership. This is a reflection of the shared vision of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, to build sustainable energy bridges between the two countries. The total length of this pipeline is around 132 kilometers, of which 127 kilometers is in Bangladesh, traversing 3 districts of Rangpur division. The pipeline has a total capacity of 1 million metric tons per annum. Initially, 7 districts of northern Bangladesh will receive supply of fuel from this pipeline, which will be augmented further to cover several more districts. The groundbreaking ceremony of this pipeline was witnessed by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, in September 2018. The pipeline has been built at a cost of 377 crore Indian rupees. Bangladesh portion of the pipeline has been constructed under grant assistance from Government of India. At a time when the world is facing energy shortage and supply challenges, the India-Bangladesh Friendship Pipeline is a fine example of India's neighborhood-first policy that will help further fuel agricultural and industrial growth in Bangladesh. Prior to the construction of the pipeline, high-speed diesel is being supplied through rail wagons along a 512-kilometer route. With the completion of this pipeline, faster, economical and eco-friendly mode of transportation of high-speed diesel to Bangladesh will be ensured. While constructing the pipeline, the latest state-of-the-art technology has been used, including horizontal directional drilling for crossing riverbeds and railway tracks. Sectional valve stations have been constructed at 5 locations along the pipeline to control the flow of high-speed diesel. The pipeline operations are fully automated with advanced SCADA systems for remote monitoring and advanced leak detection to ensure safe transfer of fuel. Today, Bangladesh is India's largest development partner in the world and its largest trade partner in South Asia. The India-Bangladesh Friendship Pipeline will further strengthen the economic interlinkages and usher a new era of progress and prosperity for the people of the two countries. Jai Hind, Joy Bangla. In South Asia, the India-Bangladesh Friendship Pipeline will further strengthen the economic interlinkages and usher a new era of progress and prosperity for the people